Hey there. As a new restaurant or retailer, you want to know what it's going to take to set up Jellyfish. I'm going to show you how to do it in 3 steps in about 3 minutes or less. So the first thing you're going to do is on the retail page of our website, you're going to click on the sign up button. It's going to ask you what type of Jellyfish user are you? You're a retailer. Click on the retail, which is going to take you to the sign up page. I've already filled out some information here so you can blaze through this. Staff invitation code is when you invite your employees, they'll put the code in that gets emailed to them there. You don't need to worry about this right now. Go ahead, click proceed. This is going to take you to the introduction area for Jellyfish. We're going to walk you through a little bit of information here to help you get comfortable. You can just zip through this, get started. This is going to take you to our learning center here. We have tutorials. The first one you're going to click on is create site. This is going to walk you through the process of creating your first site. So this is about step 2 if you want to think of it that way. You're going to hit the arrow here, walk through the instructions, and then at the end it's going to say, let's get started. This is where you create your first site. This is your business name and your business address where your suppliers actually ship stuff to. We're going to call this Red Sky Barbecue. My address is going to be something like that on Main Street. My city is Denver. My state, Colorado. There we go. Zip code 80112. Primary industry that I'm in, well, I sell some pretty good barbecue, but I also sell barbecue equipment. So I'm going to go down here and click off retail as well. I got 2 industries there. Preferred visiting times would be the times that my reps can come visit me. I don't want to bother putting any of that in right now. I'm going to hit submit. Step 2 is done. Now we're going to start walking you through those tutorials in order and having you perform the action that you just learned at the end. The next step would be adding an employee. You walk through the tutorial again, clicking on the arrow on the corner here. Let's get started. Let's create our next employee here. This is going to be Mike, and his last name is going to be Adams. His role is going to be site staff, which means he works for me. I'm not going to worry about the order approval or site catalog. If you want to learn more about that, check out our help desk. What site is he working at? He's at Red Sky Barbecue. If I have more than one location, I could have created more locations and assign him to one or both. What is their main category that they deal with? Well, he's my meat guy, so I'm going to click on meat. And then I need to send him an invite. So his invite is going to be sent to there we go. And that invite is out the door. So that was step 3. We got our account set up, we got our location set up, and we got an employee set up. The next thing to do is to start creating orders. Walk through the tutorial, off you go. That's about all there is to it, all in 3 minutes or less. Thanks a lot.